Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my Learn Easy Maths channel. Hi friends, how are you? Hope by the time we are just discussing and we are interacting each other on this video, you will be in a very stable and also very good condition of your life as well as your health. And I pray that you always stay blessed and be in a good health and condition. Friends, today in my last video, an English medium video, what I discuss is area related to the circle. That is the topic which is being drawn and taken from the 10th standard syllabus. As you know that it is the present syllabus where we have one topic with the title that area related to the circle. I have just introductory part I have given. Just as already I told in my previous video before you all, and also I repeat and reiterate again and again. The very purpose of my making the video is not to give the solution of the exercise, only to give you the basic and the fundamental concepts of that particular topic. As and when it is required to solve some problems, surely and definitely I will give a solution and I will take the solution of those problems in my videos. But my main intention and also my priority will be for only giving the concept. In my last video, I have just made a video related to the area related to the circle, but I am surprised and also I am very much I don't say the word disappointed, but I did not understand and I am in totally confusion and dilemma that many of you, my viewers, have not watched at all and you have not gone to view the video. I don't know what is the problem, is just having you with yourself. So please don't do that one. It is particularly my students and friends of my students to the students, whosoever may be. Please, you watch it. I am making for your convenience and I am making for this. Actually see that it is not something a business that I have started for making the profit, nothing else. I am not right now such a big YouTuber, but only my purpose is that I should be able to reach each and every student, each and every learner, each and every trainer, each and every teacher, so that my teacher fraternity can have and share the knowledge and we will have a very good discussion, and my student fraternity, they can learn and they can gain and enrich their knowledge. So without any further delay, I have taken more introduction because the reason that I wanted to acquaint you and I wanted to make you known that what happened with my previous video, that area related to circle. Once again, it's my request to all the viewers right now, those who are watching, please go and search out in my just playlist channel of my just Learn Easy Maths channel, this link, you will get that area related to the circle. There I have discussed circle, semicircle, quadrant, area and their respective perimeters, and sector, major and minor sector, and segment, major and minor segment, what is the formula for finding an arc, and all these things I have discussed. But I am sorry and I am also very much disturbed to see that one you have not touched the video at all. I don't know. Please don't make such a reservation, and my teachers fraternity, please you do circulate among your children, among your students, so that it will be helpful for them. So see here, today I have taken one more topic from the 10th standard. That topic is mensuration generally. It is the three-dimensional figures, solid figures, many terms we say, and it is associated with many terms and titles. Three-dimensional geometry, three-dimensional figure. What does it mean? It means that it is a figure constructed by with the three-dimensional measurements, with the three-dimensional aspects. Two-dimensional length and breadth, and three-dimensional length, breadth and height. We have only three dimension. For practically and for logically, we have three-dimensional, that is length, breadth and height, And the fourth dimension is also physical quantity, which we call it is a time. But three dimension x, y, z, length, breadth and height, they are reversible. They can be measured either of the side, but the time is not a reversible measurement. Time is a unidirectional and unitransitional things. I hope you followed it or not. Let us not to get into detail, which is irrelevant to our topic now. Now come to this one. This is the surface areas and volumes of this three-dimensional figure. Among this three-dimensional figure, my first figure is sorry. This is a cuboid. What is a cuboid? A cuboid is a three-dimensional figure which has the three dimension length, breadth and height. Each of them are different in measurement. Okay, see that one. How many vertices we have for the three dimensional this cuboid? 8 vertices. How many faces we have? We have 6 faces. And how many edges we have? We have, see that one, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 10 11 12 edges we have. Okay, so this is a cuboid which has how many vertices? It has 8 vertices: A B C D E F G H. So this is called a cuboid. As a cuboid is there in 8th standard, cuboid is there in 9th standard, as well as now you are learning in 10th standard. Here what more and a very particular thing we learn in cuboid? Do you know that one? We learn what is its surface area or lateral, what is its total surface area and lateral surface area. Lateral means what? No. Lateral means the sides covered to a figure. The sides covered to a just particular shape. It is called a lateral side. Okay, lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. So lateral surface area we have like this: L S A of cuboid is equal to, we know that a cuboid has the three dimensional measurement: length, breadth and height. So we write it 2H L plus B, or 2 length and 2 breadth multiplied to the height. It is the lateral surface area of cuboid. Similarly, total surface means it is not only the surface surrounded to the figure side laterally sides, but its top and bottom should also be included, which we say that it is a total surface area. Then TSA is equal to 2 bracket. See that one, in 6 faces, each 2 faces are associated with some particular measurements. For example, you see that one, A, B, C, D associate with G, H, E, F. So this is length and breadth. This is also length and breadth. So 2 length and breadth. Then similarly, A, C, G, F and B, D, E, H, it is associated with breadth and height, and breadth and height. So it is 2BH. Similarly, now we come to the part of what? This, see that one, DC, R, C, D, E, F, A, B, H, G, and it is length and height. So each 2 sides are associated with particular measurement dimension: length, breadth, height, height and length. With that, in that way, we calculate the total surface area is 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus LH. It is a square unit for both. The unit is square unit. If it is a centimeter, square centimeter. If it is a inch, square inch. If it is a feet, square feet. If it is a meter, square meter, and so on. Coming to the next is cube. It is also the same as a cuboid. It is also same as a cuboid, where in cuboid we have three-dimensional measurements are different. Length is not equal to breadth, breadth is not equal to height. But the wonder and it is the beauty of the cube is that where we have all the three measurements are equal. Length equal to breadth, breadth equal to height. See, that's why we write all the measurement sides are same. A. Like each will be a unit. Okay. Now, with that one, now similarly, LSA of cube is equal to, I told you lateral sides are curved. For figures, cylinder like that, cone like that, we get a curve shape. Whichever the figure which is curve shape or curve shape in nature, they are called curved surface area also or lateral surface area. Straight figure means straight sides where do not have any curve, we call it as a lateral side. If it is a curve like cylinder, if it is a curve like a cone, if it is a curve like this, what we can say that sphere, but sphere we do not have lateral surface area. Lateral and total both are same. We call it is a referred to as a lateral, but here we cannot say LSA, we can say that, we cannot say it is a CSA, we say that it is a LSA. LSA of a cube, 4 side into each area is A square, 4A square unit. The lateral side, the lateral surface area of a cube is 4A square. Similarly, the total surface area is equal to how many sides it has? 6 sides, 6A square unit. You can say that it is a square unit. See that one. Here is also a cube is a figure formed by joining in group adjacent to each other with equal squares. With equal squares. Here cuboid is a figure joined by in group adjacent to each other with similar or rectangle figures. Here each figure is a rectangle in shape, each side is a rectangle in shape, here each side is a square in shape. A figure with 6-sided figure which each shape is a square in shape, we say it is a cube. If a figure, 6-sided figure which each shape is in a rectangle, we say it is a cuboid. Am I correct? So that's why we can say that it is a cuboid, that is a cuboid. The next part is cylinder. Very, very important. Actually, cylinder, why it has occupied an important position in geometrical figures? Because a cylinder is a geometrical figure. From bottom to its top, it is a figure formed by multiple arrangement of its spiral circles. See that one. They are all circle in shape, isn't it? They are all circle in shape. That's why it has occupied and it has a very important position in geometrical, three-dimensional geometry. What is a cylinder? It is a figure formed by a whole curved surface with the top and bottom as a, just be careful, let's see that one. See that one is just 1 minute. Make him to move that side now. Make him to move that side. Yes. Okay. It is a figure formed by with top and bottom two circular shape with a height where each representing a circular ring. You can see that one. There are so many circular. I told you spiral, circular, two-way. Okay. What are the main aspects of this cylinder? The cylinder has the two circles, top and bottom. This is the top and this is bottom. In between, it has a curved shape where the center of the circle of the top and the center of the circle of the bottom, there is a vertical line is connected. Can you see that one here? It is a circle on the top, a vertical line is connected, a circle in the bottom. This is called a height of a cylinder, H. This is called a height of a cylinder. As you know that whenever we talk of the circle, children, you know that it is associated with the radius, diameter, everything now. So what is the, I can say that the curved surface or the lateral surface of cylinder is equal to what? 2 pi r h. 2 pi r. Can you recall or recollect that where the 2 pi r is used in circle? It is the perimeter. It is the circumference of a circle. The boundary of a circle is called as a circumference or perimeter. So the measurement for the perimeter is the formula which we use, it is a 2 pi r. So 2 pi r multiply h. Similarly, the total surface area of cylinder is, see that one, the curved surface 2 pi r h plus and the area of the two circle 2 pi r square. 2 pi r h lateral surface or curved surface plus the area of top and bottom of the circles. Then what is common? 2 pi r. 2 pi r is common. Take 2 pi r. Here 2 is out, pi is out and r is out. What is remaining? H. 2 pi r is out from r square. There is r h. So 2 pi r into h plus r or 2 pi r into r plus h. This is the total surface area of cylinder. Now coming to the next, it is a cone. Generally, cone, you know that one, birthday, cap, ice cream, cup, everything, many more things we have conical in shape. Okay, and the joker cap, it is a conical in shape. So what is a cone? It is a geometrical figure where the bottom has a circular shape and the two slant height meeting at a common edge, which is called as a slant position. You can see that one here, A is B and C and it is O. AC and AB is a slant height and AO is a vertical height. As you know that whenever it is a circle, it has a radius. Okay. Then what is the lateral surface area of lateral surface or curved surface area of CSA of cone is equal to pi r L. Pi r. What is a pi? Pi is a constant, mathematical constant, which is having a relationship between the circumference is to diameter. When we just make the ratio of circumference to the diameter, we get the value of pi. We get the value of pi. So pi is a mathematical constant. It has a value approximately equal to 22 by 7, which is the rational in nature, right? The curved surface area of the cone is pi r L and the total surface area of cone is equal to pi r into r plus L. Pi r into r plus L. Similarly, sphere. Okay, sphere is very important because earth is spherical in shape. Okay, geoid in shape, ovoid in shape. So that what is a sphere? A sphere is a curved figure which is circular in shape and it has a diameter as well as the radius, and we have the two things in a sphere. One is if the sphere is dissected into halves position, HALV is halves position, it is dissected and divided into two hemisphere. Hemi means the half sphere. This one, when it is cut into, dissected into the two shape, two middle of this diameter, then we get into the two hemisphere. Then what is the, we don't have total surface and lateral surface for the sphere. We have only a surface area of a sphere. Surface area of a sphere is what? 4 pi r square. But the lateral surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Half, you make the half of the area of the sphere, you get the lateral surface area of hemisphere. Then what is the total surface area of hemisphere? The TSA is equal to the lateral surface plus the area of a circle, 2 pi r square plus pi r square, which is equal to 3 pi r square. So we can say that we have lateral surface as well as the total surface for hemisphere, but no total surface, no lateral surface for sphere, but we have only a surface area. With this one, we are going to end this video, today's discussion, with a hope, lot of confidence and faith upon you, which I pose every time, that you will subscribe it, you will share it, and you will watch it completely. Simply do not click it, and you just do not sweep, or you do not just change with your fingertips. With this one, I am going to end up the video. Hope you enjoyed video, and I hope this will enrich your knowledge. Thank you. Bye.